After DaBaby performed at Rolling Loud on July 25th, he was swiftly cancelled online for homophobic comments he made during his set. But he's come back into mainstream attention thanks to Dave Chappelle, and many celebrities are now coming out in support of the rapper. I'm Mackenzie, and before we get into it, I want to shout out a new channel that we have called IO Elite. We mainly post marathon videos on there, but it's also a backup channel in case YouTube decides to strike us for some reason, so make sure to go over there and subscribe, the link is below. So in between songs during Rolling Loud, DaBaby spoke to the crowd, telling them, quote, "If you don't show up today with HIV, AIDS, or any of them deadly sexual transmitted disease that'll make you die in 2-3 weeks, then put your cell phone lighter up." Then going on to make derogatory homophobic comments, making it clear that his comments were taking aim at the LGBT+ community. Following the comments, DaBaby was dropped by many sponsors and collaborators, as well as being booted from festivals he was scheduled to perform at. But recently he is back in the news because other celebrities are speaking out about the unfair cancellation of the rapper. Most notably was Dave Chappelle. In his special The Closer, Chappelle shared his thoughts on the cancellation. He then went on to talk about DaBaby's past, revealing that the rapper shot and killed someone at a Walmart in North Carolina, but it didn't hinder his career in any way. DaBaby has spoken about this incident in the past and says the shooting was done for self-defense. Chappelle then compared it to DaBaby's treatment after his homophobic comments. Chappelle said, quote, "DaBaby shot and killed a man in a Walmart in North Carolina. Nothing bad happened to his career." Do you see where I'm going with this? In our country, you can shoot and kill a man, but you better not hurt a gay person's feelings. It's all pretty much tongue-in-cheek, but Chappelle definitely thinks that the severe cancellation that DaBaby faced was not deserved. 50 Cent agreed and posted the clip of Chappelle to his Instagram with the caption, quote, "Dave Chappelle is a funny mother effer. That was flawless. Hip-hop loves things that are damaged. That's the beauty of the culture. DaBaby is on a new path. Music has changed everything. LOL." Shortly after the comedy special brought DaBaby back into the forefront, rapper Fat Joe shared his own thoughts on DaBaby, controversially comparing him to Tupac. During an appearance on BET's Rhapsody special, Joe was asked to name the 2021 versions of some of rap's past legends. When the host asked Joe to name his 2021 version of Tupac, Joe shockingly responded with DaBaby. He said, quote, "I should know the Tupac one. I don't know. It's hard to be these guys. You're asking some crazy stuff. I would say DaBaby." After his comments, many in the rap community did not agree and felt that DaBaby should not be compared to the GOAT that is Tupac. Fat Joe responded to the controversy on Twitter, writing, quote, "No one's Tupac, there's only one, but I was asked the question and DaBaby is a super real one. He lives what he raps about." But these two are not the only celebrities coming out in the defense of DaBaby. Rapper Boozy Badass also came to the support of DaBaby. The rapper recently sat down with Vlad TV for an interview where he spoke extensively about DaBaby. Following DaBaby's controversial comments, Boozy defended DaBaby and continued to do so in the recent talk. Boozy explained that DaBaby was booked to perform at Boozy Bash since last year, so the timing of the controversy was coincidental. But there was a brief time that Boozy was worried that DaBaby would cancel his set. Boozy said, quote, "I was calling him for like a month and he wouldn't answer, but I knew he's going through a lot of shit, but he finally answered and he came through for me like a real one, he really did." Saying that the rapper has a lot of character to still perform at the festival with all he was going through at that time. Boozy also said that when he heard festivals were dropping DaBaby, he was pissed. Adding, quote, "I was pissed at them because I just felt like they were trying to teach him a lesson for the next big rapper that's on top like this. If you ever do this, this is what's gonna happen to you, and he did nothing. I think it was a setup, he did nothing." Even adding that the industry bullied DaBaby. So that's all we have for an update on the DaBaby situation. DaBaby himself has not commented at all on the recent support, but I'm sure he's happy that a lot of the rap community seems to be on his side in the matter. Let me know what you think about all this below. Does Dave Chappelle and these other rappers have a point, or was DaBaby's cancellation well deserved? Again, let me know below. But that's all for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here and want to see more. I've been your host, Mackenzie Smith. Make sure to check us out on social media, and I'll catch you all in the next one.